ALC Hosting Networks, your hosting and cloud partner.
It is possible to create an email account in cPanel in the Email Accounts menu. We have a separate how-to video on that, which you'll find the link for in the video description. Today, we'll show you how to add a cPanel email account in Microsoft Outlook 2021. To start with, please open Microsoft Outlook 2021 on your device. If you have mailboxes set up already, go to the File tab and click on the Add Account button. Then type in your full email address that was created in your cPanel and click Connect button. If you are not able to proceed with the automatic installation, you may need to continue the process using the manual setup as follows. On the next page, select the POP or IMAP option. If you choose the IMAP account setup, enter the following mailbox and server details. The incoming mail server should be the server your account is hosted on. The encryption method should be SSL/TLS. Port should be 993. You can also select Start TLS if 143 port is used. Outgoing mail server should be the same as the incoming mail server. The encryption method should be SSL/TLS. Port should be 465. You can also use Start TLS if 587 port is used. Require logon using secure password authentication. Spark box should be unchecked. You can also find this information in the comments section of this video. Once all details are filled in, click the Next button. After that, type in your password for this email address and click Connect. If all the settings are correct, you will receive the Account Successfully Added message. Click Done to complete the setup, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you might have under this video. Or check out our knowledge base at alchosting.net for more tips and support.